To enable and use Circle to Search in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down, and here we want to find the System and Update options. Go into buttons navigation right here in system navigation up here. Then make sure that you have buttons, and that way we can activate Circle to Search. Now to actually use it, you will need to click and hold this middle button right here, and then your Circle to Search will pop up. And you can use it in all sorts of different ways. The first way is to just tap on any object on the screen to take like a screenshot of it and then perform Google search with it. So for example, if you have a photo of something you don't know what it is, you can then open a Circle to Search and use this feature to find out what you're looking at. Then there's the option for translation. If you select this, it will translate your entire page from original language that is detected into a language that you're going to select. So for example, if we go for this, as you can see, it just translated my entire page. Now we can also just click and copy text. This could be useful sometimes. You can select the text on the screen and then copy it. Then we can also use the music feature if you have an app open that plays some music and there's no title for that music. You can click on this and then it may detect a music title that you're looking for. And you can always perform a Google image search of your entire screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.